Hello, and welcome back to another video. And I wanted to upload this one I wanted to upload this one ages ago, but I didn't think it would be right to do so at the moment, just because of the legal side of it, I suppose. So I'm going to show you the video now. Unknown, but even now he's realising that as we all are on the same page about it, he's thinking, oh shit, mate.
You okay, Harry?
So yeah, that happened. I still can't believe it, and it still haunts me when I drive down the road in Anne. I've only just got Anne back. I did have a Vauxhall Corsa, which I might show you some videos here, or some photos of the car. I didn't like it compared to Anne. I preferred Anne, my Skoda Fabia. It brought some trauma. I'm alright though. It could have been a lot worse, and that's what really scares me about it, is that I could have been sent to, if I smashed into that Fiat 500 actually went into me, and then the Seat behind me went into me, I would have been hospitalised without a doubt. The guy in the Fiat got away and nothing's happened to him, or I think it was a him. The footage, it's too blurry to show the reg, so the police were like, sorry, we can't do anything about it. But yeah, I'm fine. My back, my neck, and my wrist was sore. But apart from that, I was absolutely fine. But yeah, it's just a shame that the guy that caused the accident didn't have any punishment. So I hope he lost some sleep or felt guilty about it, but I really can't imagine that he did. I just have to count my lucky stars that I'm still alive and stuff, and it kind of helped put me in a spiral for a few weeks. That's why I didn't upload, and I've only uploaded a few afterwards. But a couple of days after the accident, I really thought, what am I doing with my life? Am I happy with my life? If yesterday or whenever the crash was, I can't even remember now, because I'm trying to almost recover and forget about it. But yeah, it's just so haunting knowing that it could have been so much worse. And I think I would have survived it, but I think my injuries would have been massive, and Anne would have been a write-off, because from both sides and stuff, it would have been a write-off. Thanks for watching, and I hope to. I'm gonna upload another video soon and talk about a few ideas that are coming to Budget Path, just to make sure that the tour. I know the tour's dipped for the last 2 to 3 months, but I am hoping. Not July, but probably August is going to be an exciting month, and I'll share some updates nearer the time. But I've got a few ideas still that I want to try before I turn 30, so stick with me on Tour 29 of this year and a bit of next year in January, and we'll see what's what from there. But thanks for listening. If you did stay to the end, I very much appreciate it. If you didn't, I can understand. But yeah, that's what happened to me. And I know it's not much of an excuse. I know I'm fine now. But yeah, thanks.